Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a follow-up on that flat car that I made out of these 5-gallon paint stirrers. Like I said, you can go to Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, and go to the paint department, and these things are free. 5-gallon paint stirrers. They're usually sitting in a bucket. You can just ask for them. Anyway, they're straight grain hardwood, and they're milled really, really straight, as you see. So you can put these things side by side and glue them together and get a really, really nice, tight bond. In any case, I built that flat car, and I just got it painted and finished, so I wanted to do a quick video on it. So let me bring this around so you can see it. I think you'll be impressed with the results. So, as you can see, this does not look like a homemade rail car. It only took a few minutes to make this. I haven't taken any pains with this at all. And I glued the two sticks together, cut it off at 12 inches, measured in from the end 1.25 inches, drilled the holes, mounted the trucks and the couplers using paper joiners, gave it one coat of black primer, and then I have sprayed it with this hammered textured paint, metallic pewter. And since I had it, I just thought I'd go ahead and use it. And as you see, this came out rather nice. And this looks like something you bought, not something you made. And so this consist is now 12 inches longer than it was this morning, simply because of this one single car. And since these paint stirrers are free, you could make as many as you want of these if you have the trucks and the couplers to do it with. You could build 2 of them, 4 of them. You could build an entire consist out of these things. And since they're made of wood, you could finish them, sand them, and varnish them. You can do what I did here, which is simply paint it. It's an expedient. It's really, really quick to do this. So like I said, I have taken no pains with this at all. I cut it off with a hacksaw at 12 inches, drilled the holes, countersunk them, as you can see, assembled the entire thing with paper joiners, and then painted it with this hammered metallic paint. And like I said, this looks like something that you bought, not something that you made. I don't think anybody would look at this and think this was a homemade car made out of 5-gallon paint stirrers. As you can see, this actually looks quite good. And of course, the nice thing about it is it works and it's free. And so this consist is now 12 inches longer than it was this morning, simply because of that one car. So you could make 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, 10 of them. Just depends on how many couplers and trucks you have. But it's a really, really simple way to make a really, really nice custom flat car that costs you absolutely nothing. This actually looks quite good. So anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video on this. It's really simple. It's free. Like I said, these paint sticks or paint stirrers, you can get them at any home improvement store, and they're free. And you can find them in the paint section, and they're usually standing up in a bucket, and you can just grab a couple of them, 4 of them, 6 of them. And like I said, you glue them together, cut them off to the length you want, add the trucks, and you have an instant flat car that didn't cost you anything at all. This actually looks really, really good. So just a quick follow-up video. Really, really simple, and best of all, it's free. So just want to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.